Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mode. Happy to see you here. Today we have a really interesting equation. We have 2 to the n equal to 20 to the 8th power, and we need to find our n in this equation. How can we solve it? Of course, it looks like it's really good to take a log from both of the sides, so let's do this. What we'll have? We will have log of the left hand side, so 2 to the n, equal to log 20 to the 8th. Okay. Why this is good for us? Because we'll know the main log property. If we have log base of n, right here m, right here as well power p, for example, we can write it as p times log m base of n. So this power goes right here. So, and in this case this n goes in the beginning, and in this case this 8 goes right here in the beginning. What we'll have? We'll have n log 2. I hope you understand this. This n goes right here, and equal to 8 log 20. So what are we going to do next? We don't need this log 2 right here, so we just divide both sides by this log 2. Right here and right here, so log 2 and log 2. If we divide it, we can easily cancel here on the left hand side, so we will have our final answer n equal to 8 log 20 over log 2. But this is not our final answer. It looks like our answer, but we can always simplify this a little bit, because this 20 can be written as, take a look, this 20 can be written as 10 times 2. We can do that. This is our 20 over log 2. But why this is good for us, writing right here multiplying? Because we need to know a log property. If we have multiplication sign right here, if we have a log of a product, we can write it as log of sum of two logs. Take a look. We will have 8, and right here we can write in parentheses the sum of two logarithms. First one log 10 and plus log 2 over log 2. Okay, what we're going to do next? Take a look. Right here we have a sum, so we can easily multiply this 8 by this sum, and we will find our answer, because take a look closely. Log 10 base of 10, this is equal to 1. So I go right here on the top and I rewrite this. Just want to see you. So 8 right here in parentheses will have 1 plus log 2 and dividing by log 2. I just rewrite this right here on the top, because right now we can easily multiply this 8 by this parentheses. What we will have? We will have 8 plus 8 log 2 over log 2. It looks like a final answer, but we can do one more step to find our final answer, because if we divide by parts by this log 2, we will have our final answer. So we will have 8 over log 2, and right here if we divide 8 log 2 over log 2, we will have only our 8. So this log and this log we cancel, and we'll have plus 8. So I hope you understand this step. If you don't understand, write a question in the comment, and our final answer will be n equal to 8 over log 2 and plus 8. This is our final answer. If you still have any question, write a question in comment, write a suggestion in comment. I hope you will enjoy this video, and thank you everyone for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, and it helps me a lot to make a new interesting video every day. I make new math content every day. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and have a great day.